Hello, Nidhi Thakkar. Thank you
Hi.
so much for coming on the show.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
How are you?
I'm good. I'm great actually.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now tell me really, how are you?
True, true,
Little
true.
bit nervous?
Kinda.
Okay. Doing this for the first time.
Of course, yes. It's the
Okay.
first time.
Okay. Yes, so tell me about yourself first.
Okay.
Yes.
So I am a student currently,
Mm-hmm.
and I have this NGO for dogs
Mm-hmm.
where we feed street dogs and take care of them,
Mm-hmm.
their medications.
Mm-hmm.
And apart from that, I have a small restaurant as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So, but before I ask you about the
Mm-hmm.
specific this POV,
Uh-huh.
that is Paws of Vadodara, right? Just wanted to know like what did you study and what are your thoughts in general?
Okay. So I completed my bachelor's in commerce,
Mm-hmm.
and I have like a thing for commerce as well,
Mm-hmm.
but I'm more into animals and everything.
Okay.
Yeah, like I cannot see myself without animals surrounded me. Like I cannot just imagine where I don't have any animals around me. So
Oh, is it?
yeah,
Uh-huh.
I need someone.
So you must have visited this Vantara in
And
Jam.
no, I wish, I
You
wish.
wish you want to, right?
Yeah, I do want to visit over there. It's a great initiative, though.
So tell us about like how did you start this project, and you can go back to you explain me offline like how it started.
Okay, so it all started during lockdown.
Mm-hmm.
It is basically initiated my dad.
Mm-hmm.
So my dad is the person who started this thing, and it was like during lockdown, we all were in our homes, and the dogs were there outside on the streets howling and roaming around, and there was no one to take care after them. Earlier there were restaurants, so they were able to get some food,
Right.
बिकॉज वो लोग जो जब डंप करते हैं तो वो लोग डॉग्स ट्राई टू गेट फूड फ्रॉम दैट प्लेस एज वेल, बट ड्यूरिंग लॉकडाउन देयर वर नो अदर सोर्सेस जिससे वो लोग खाना उनके लिए कुछ लाइक सोर्स कर सकें. सो माई डैड यूज टू गो फॉर साइकिलिंग नियर आर सोसाइटी, एंड at that time he felt the need of starting this thing. So like we were like we already have 5 indies at our home, Indian stray dogs, Indian Pereira more specific to be. So he was like, if we are feeding this 5 kids at our home, then let's just grow more. Let's go more bigger and give food to others as well who need. So we started from our area, then expanded it, and now we have almost a huge family of 250 plus dogs.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
whom we feed daily. So,
कौन से एरिया में आप फीड करते हो स्पेशली?
so we start from Natubai Circle, go to Alkapuri, Jetalpur, Ambedkar Circle side, Trident, Ellora Park,
Okay.
then near Circuit House. Yeah, all those area are covered by us.
Okay. Okay. And so what kind of food do you feed them?
We
What?
give them dry food, which is like a pedigree thing. So we give them those dog food,
Okay.
which is specifically made for them.
For
Like
them.
we have tried many things. We started from rice, curd, and biscuits. We tried almost every brand which is available in market for dogs. We even tried the vegetarian dog food, but we didn't get much good response. So I mean the dog didn't like it, of course. So then finally we have stick to this particular 2 brands which are good and they like that, and we are happy.
They're happy. Okay.
They are happy as well.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. So how do you come to know that they are happy?
Their wiggling tail,
अच्छा.
them running, I mean they run behind us when they see our vehicle coming towards them.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Have you ever seen them in their eyes, and what do you feel when you look at them?
There's this connect which I don't feel with humans, but
Okay.
I do feel with them. Like it's this connect which I always feel with animals, like especially with dogs.
अच्छा.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
मे बी दिस विल बी वेरी डम क्वेश्चन, बट आपको ऐसा लगता है कि इन लास्ट लाइफ, लाइक इन प्रीवियस लाइफ, यू आर अ डॉग? और
I don't
ऐसा
know. Maybe there has to be some connect.
या गुड गुड. What else, like what are some, if you could talk about the donation part, because all these things involves, a lot of money,
True,
of
true.
course, right? So how do you
So
make an
for
arrangement?
the food purpose, I have like the total bill is divided into three. Half is paid by my dad and his other friend, and there's this other NGO who also help us with the donation for the food. And apart from food, like medications, doctor's bill, and other utilities are being borne by us. So yeah.
Okay, okay. Any special, you have a special connect with particular dog or any?
Yeah, like I do have this special thing for this one dog. I rescued him. His jaw got locked, so he was not able to eat anything. So there was an emergency to get him operated.
Okay.
And I was very scared that if we don't get him operated, what will happen next? So I just went to the doctor, which we have in our town, and he just did all the thing. He did the operation. Everything went well, but later things got little messed up. That dog is having a wound जिसमें उसको पूरे टाइम पस आता ही रहता है.
Okay.
So we have to keep cleaning it, and we have to just like give him whatever nutritious food he need. उसको देना ही पड़ता है. Like we have to feed him दिन में 4 बार at least, because he cannot eat food by himself. So उसके लिए like we rented a separate place while he was during like his what we say operational stage after care. उसके आफ्टर केयर के लिए वी रेंटेड अ प्लेस. वहाँ पे उसके साथ हम लोग रहे. We took care of him. We used to feed him by spoon. हाथ से खिलाते थे क्योंकि वो खा ही नहीं पाता था. He had like swelling all over his face and stitches on both the side. So it was a very bad time for him. But then it's like we have to do his treatment and dressing and everything for as many years as he live. And yes, we are still doing it, and it's been 1.5 years since this thing happened.
Okay.
And he is like soul of my family.
Oh wow.
People fight in their home for like a family fight in their home
Right.
for many different things, but in my family we fight like उसको खाना दिया,
अच्छा.
उसको खाना नहीं दिया, उसको क्यों आज लेट खाना मिला है, उसको क्यों आपने ये खाना दिया. It's like those things on which we fight. We argue like
Good.
Yeah.
Good. What is his name?
Dayu Dikku.
Okay.
It's a Gujarati
It's a
name.
Gujarati name.
Because he's extremely well behaved dog. Though he lives on a street, he know how to how to sit on a sofa, how to use a lift. I mean, of course, with us being around, then he knows when he wanna eat, he'll go to the place where the food is and he'll show us, give me food now. and he's really smart. उसको टीवी देखना हो तो सोफे पे जाके बैठ जाएगा. He'll sit on the couch and then he'll say, I wanna see TV. We'll play the thing which you wanna see. So it's like he's a fun.
What is your goal with this initiative? Like, what else you want to do with this?
Yeah, so basically we are right now just feeding the dogs and giving them the basic care. But in long term, our plan is to grow it bigger. We want to make a big shelter where we can accommodate as many dogs as we can. And plus, like, there are many times when we cannot help the dogs because we don't have the facility of the shelter and everything. So we do have shelter in our town, but they are always full. And we cannot even force them to take the dog and keep it with them. So I want to make a shelter where I cannot say no to any dog who comes at our doorstep.
Nice.
So that is the thing.
ओके ओके थोड़ा एक हैवी क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा हूँ, बट यू नो गांधी जी ने कहा था ऐसा कि अगर आपको किसी देश की वैल्यू सिस्टम जाननी है तो वो देश में उनके एनिमल्स और बर्ड्स को कैसे ट्रीट किया जाता है उसके ऊपर से आप डिसाइड कर पाते हो, राइट? डू यू बिलीव दैट?
Actually, this is the first time I have heard about it, to be very honest. Yeah.
So what are your thoughts about that? Like
I mean,
okay, I'll try to simplify that.
yeah.
So what he's saying that कि you know हम लोगों को तो अच्छी तरह से ट्रीट करते ही है, राइट, मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम, बट जो बोल नहीं सकते लाइक एनिमल्स एंड बर्ड्स, राइट, तो अगर आप उनके साथ भी अच्छा व्यवहार करते हो, उनको अच्छी तरह से ट्रीट करते हो, सो दैट शोज़ कि योर कोर सिस्टम, कोर बिलीफ, कोर वैल्यू सिस्टम कैसी है, राइट? तो आर यू एबल टू कनेक्ट टू दैट थॉट?
Yeah. Actually, the thing is कि there are people who are good with animals, but they are not good with humans.
अच्छा.
And there are people who are good with everyone. So, and there are people who are not good with anyone. So yeah, I do believe in that. I mean, जो लोगों को एनिमल से ज़्यादा कनेक्ट है, I'll be able to connect with them in a more better way. So there's this thing कि when you are good with animals, your mindset is going to be automatically good with people who are like more in need of help or something. So yeah, maybe that.
Any specific you know instance that you have experienced कि जहाँ पे लोगों ने इनके साथ अच्छा व्यवहार ना किया हो and you got you know you became angry and you try to rescue them or ऐसा कुछ?
Yeah, it happens with me almost on a daily basis, I can say.
Okay.
So like I believe कि if you don't like dogs, if you don't like any animals, just don't hurt them. I mean, if you don't want to feed, don't feed them. If you don't want to love, don't love them. But just don't hurt them. Like रास्ते पे चलते हुए ऐसे तुम ऐसे भी किसी को ऐसे you cannot just throw stones at them or just abuse them. I mean, they are also living being and they also feel the things. And I have seen while going to feed the dogs, I usually see people throwing stones at them. And I usually get into fight with those people that why, what's wrong with you, you should not do this thing, that dog is not even hurting you and still you are like being bad to that dog. That's not fair at all. So I do believe in it.
और ऐसा सुना है कि you know like these dogs and animals and especially the pets, they understand the vibes of a human being, right?
Yes,
if you are sad they will come to you and you know they will you know, और अगर आप बहुत खुश हो तो they will also be happy. So how does that work by? I mean, what do you think, like वो कैसे समझ जाते होंगे?
It's their senses which make us connect with them. I mean, not only pet dogs. अभी मैं जितने डॉग्स को इतने टाइम से खाना दे रही हूँ, दे ऑल्सो कनेक्ट विथ मी, दो दे डोंट स्टे एट माई होम, बट वी हैव दिस कनेक्शन. इफ आई एम सैड दे विल कम नियर मी एंड दे विल मेक मी फील कि नहीं, नाउ पेट मी, सो आई ऑल्सो फील गुड एंड दे ऑल्सो फील गुड. आई मीन, that's a different connection which is sensed by them, which usually humans don't sense it. I mean, even though they can see, but they are like, we don't care, you deal with your own thing. But those animals do care about it. So yeah.
Pet therapy के बारे में सुना है?
सुना है.
What is that?
I mean, it's usually, I mean, I've more heard about pet yoga.
Pet yoga?
Yeah.
अच्छा.
People do yoga surrounded by puppies.
अच्छा अच्छा.
It's more popular in Mumbai, I guess, in metro cities.
हाँ.
So I wish it could be there in our town as well.
So they come with you, like, is it?
No, the place itself, the yoga place itself, have puppies,
अच्छा.
and people come over there.
So who? Okay. Okay. So okay, so it's a place for yoga, people like us, but surrounded by pets.
Yes,
I mean,
yes, yes.
so what is the logic? So you know.
they calm us. Yoga is a thing which helps to calm us down, and dogs are the other main important thing which also make you feel like you have been calmed. So it's a therapeutic thing.
ये मैं भी पहली बार सुना हूँ कि ऐसा है.
No, there are many such things.
So if you are so much fond of these dogs and animals, like you haven't thought about studying in particular in this
Good
field?
question. Actually, I'm a person who doesn't like science, so I discarded that option of being a veterinary doctor. But now, at this point of time, my parents are like, just leave whatever you are doing with your studies, give your 10th, 11th, 12th again in science and start doing this veterinary thing. But I am like, Mom, Dad, I cannot do this much of hard work, especially in studies, because it will almost take 8 years. Like masters and everything खत्म करते करते बहुत टाइम हो जाएगा, and I don't have that much patience. तो फिर I'm like, I cannot do that, but I can open a shelter once I become independent financially, hopefully.
बराबर बराबर. What are your other hobbies apart from this?
Apart from this, I'm a person who is involved in craft, art, and other NGO stuff. Like I do go with a NGO who feed humans. Who are into food drive, menstrual hygiene drive, and the school
Even
for
the
slums.
House of Humanity?
Yes, of course.
Okay. Again, a little bit heavy question. आप ऐसा मानते हो कि like जैसे फिर ह्यूमन बीइंग्स एल्डर्स ब्लेस द यंगर वंस, राइट? डू यू थिंक कि एनिमल्स एंड दिस पेट्स, ऑफ कोर्स दे डोंट स्पीक, but they send this good vibrations, good energy to you when you do good things for them, right? Do you
Definitely,
believe in
definitely.
such
I feel that, like, if I'm upset and I go with an upset mood to feed them, they will feel that. And then once I start feeding them, things will change. I'll start feeling happier. I'll be more in a good mood. They change the whole aura of us. They have this, I don't know what, but a good vibe which make us feel good as well.
maybe pure vibes,
True.
without any assumption or judgments?
Yeah,
or
they don't ask for anything else apart from थोड़ा सा प्यार, थोड़ा सा खाना, और थोड़ा सा उनके साथ खेलना. बस, that's all they need.
Right.
So yeah.
Which other animal you like apart from
I
dog?
have also fostered squirrels.
Squirrels?
Yeah.
Wow.
I really like squirrels. So mostly I used to foster those baby squirrels जो ट्री पर से गिर जाते थे या फिर उनके पास उनके मॉम नहीं होते थे.
मुझे लगता है कि यू आर वेरी गुड ऑब्जर्वर. मतलब इतना तो स्क्विरल को हम देखते हैं, बट शी इज ऑल्सो सो फास्ट कि लाइक वी डोंट गेट
I have fostered this tiny squirrels.
अच्छा.
Yeah. So this interest.
How do you rescue those, or how do you get?
Yeah, so I'm coming to that point. I made my interest in this thing because of one person who used to stay in my society. She had a squirrel. Her name was Stitch.
Sorry, name?
Stitch.
Okay.
Stitch.
Acha, okay,
Yeah.
Stitch.
Yeah. So Stitch was her pet, and I was like, wow.
I'm stuck with that name. Nice name.
I was like, wow, how can you have a squirrel at your home? And then I was fascinated by that thing. I also want to have squirrel. And during that time, that girl, that Didi specifically, had one baby squirrel near her balcony, who was abandoned by her mother. And she was like, I cannot keep her because I have my other things plus her pet as well. So she was like, would you mind if I can, like, if you can keep her for a few days or anything? Like, yeah, I don't mind, I'll take her. I'll keep with me. and then I used to, I mean, उसका जो घर था, it was a shoe box. And the other thing which was there in her house was a ball made from socks and rice. So it used to give warmth to the baby, which can make her feel as if she's around a mom. So yeah, that was the thing. फिर वो जैसे ही बड़ा हुआ, I have this big mango tree at my home. तो फिर जैसे ही बड़ा होगा थोड़े टाइम में, मैंने उसको मैंगो ट्री पे छोड़ दिया. बट वो घर पे आते हैं,
अच्छा.
खाना खाने आते हैं. एंड इवन इन टुडेज डेट आई हैव केप्ट दिस बोल ऑफ फूड एंड वाटर नियर दैट मैंगो ट्री. वो लोग सुबह अराउंड 7:30 to 8:30 के बीच में आ जाते हैं सारे स्क्विरल्स, और फिर पूरे दिन खाते रहते हैं, पूरे दिन खाते रहते हैं. बीच बीच में ऐसे लंबे होके सो जाते हैं वहीं पे और फिर अराउंड 7:30 वापस चले जाते हैं. Yeah.
Nice.
I also love monkeys.
You love monkeys, अच्छा.
Yeah, I love monkeys. So earlier, during, I guess, last year maybe, during last year, a group of monkey used to come at my place, and I used to feed them with my hands. That baby monkey used to hold my hand and eat like this. That was so cute. That was so cute. So I was very excited to feed them. And you know, there's this one thing which kicks your dopamine. I mean, there's one thing in a day which helps your dopamine to grow and which makes you more feel happier. And that was that one thing, feeding monkeys.
Feeding monkeys.
Yeah, but later this mishap happened. My society people were not happy about it, and they messaged text on a group that please stop feeding monkeys, they are destroying our garden and this and that, blah blah blah. So after that, I don't know what happened to the monkeys. They didn't came from the next day itself. पता नहीं क्या ही हो गया.
Right. Okay. What else? और कौन सा एनिमल? Squirrel was very interesting. मैंने पहली बार सुना. स्क्विरल पे एक्चुअली कोई एनिमेटेड मूवी भी नहीं है अभी तक शायद. डॉग पे आ चुका है, मंकी पे आ चुका है.
There is this some animated movie by Pixar. Pixar, I guess.
Which one?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's
अच्छा.
by Pixar, I guess. Yeah.
Okay. अच्छा, मैंने नहीं देखा. Nice.
I love almost every animal, but I'm quite scared of reptiles.
Reptiles, okay.
I'm scared of them.
Actually, I have interviewed one reptile expert.
Oh.
And he told me very interesting facts about reptiles. I'll tell you about snakes. So snakes से हम usually डरते हैं, right? I mean कि ऐसा है. But he told me that snakes usually don't bite. They give you a false alarm.
Oh.
So they will come to you, but they will not bite you. But if you do something,
they will definitely bite us.
Yes. Even if you put your feet on a snake, he will not bite you. He will give you one warning.
That's a new fact.
Yeah, and I was so, and when I came to know, I was so like touched that okay, we people hurt like anything each other, right? But even these reptiles also give you a warning, right? So too much to learn from this thing.
I know.
These
Nature, animals is like way better than we humans are.
Yeah.
I mean,
Maybe you should teach people on because what I have experienced in my life as well. I'm also not too much a dog lover person.
Okay.
I maybe like dogs but not love dogs. Okay. But couple of experience I had that धीरे धीरे जैसे आप टाइम बिताते हो तब आप थोड़ा कंफर्टेबल फील करते हो डॉग के साथ एंड देन यू स्टार्ट like touching him and that maybe I felt that there is a gap, the lack of knowledge of about animals, about pets, that is probably creating a distance between
definitely there is a lack of knowledge in people. But during lockdown, like after lockdown, after effects of lockdown, I can say I've seen many people adopting Indian dogs, Indian street dogs, keeping them at their home. और like जैसे सब लोग अपने breed pet dogs को walk पे ले जाते हैं. I have seen people taking their Indian pet dogs for a walk, taking them to the doctors, and like people are becoming aware about Indian dogs as well. Because if you don't know, Indian dogs, I mean there are 13 to 14 different type of breeds in Indian dogs. Like it's not that we don't have any variety. We have plethora of varieties. I mean plethora of breeds in Indian dogs. So yeah.
हाँ वो भी मैंने अब तक एक्चुअली सोचा है. आई हैव ऑलवेज सीन कि यू नो दे आर लाइक जो बाहर के होते हैं सब ब्रीड वही लोग लेके घूमते हैं मे बी फॉर शो ऑफ पर्पस और व्हाट आई डोंट नो बट या बट देयर आर यस इंडियन ब्रीड्स आल्सो.
Actually, if you go to north, there will be different type of dogs. If you go to south, there will be different type of dog. If you go to Himachal side, there will be all furry, goofy dogs. So yeah.
Okay.
I'm also scared of reptiles, but I'll never ever think to hurt them.
Yeah.
Because their intention is not to hurt us. They are just passing by, and we are the people who need to coexist with them. Because हमने उनके जगह पे रहना चालू किया है. They are not the one who have come to our place. We are the one who have come to their place. So we definitely need to learn how to coexist with animals. So
जंगल में गए हो कभी? जंगल सफारी की? अच्छा, कैसा रहा एक्सपीरियंस?
अच्छा था.
Okay.
बट आई वुड रादर लाइक टू लाइक जो जंगल सफारी मैं गई थी मैं उसमें वी हैड दिस कार जो हमें लेके घूमता है. पर आई वांट गो टू सच जंगल जहाँ पे हम खुद ही घूम पाए, लाइक वेयर वी कैन ट्रैक एंड वॉक. सो दैट्स मोर फन.
राइट.
दो इट्स स्कैरी टू.
Yeah,
कहीं
of
से भी
course.
कुछ भी आ जाए you'll be scared. I mean I'll be scared of course, but
right.
it's fun.
Yes.
Nature is fun.
Nature is fun. Wow, that's a nice line, huh? From a very very young person. Usually
I
ये
love
line होती है
nature.
someone who is very elder and a very good. I think nature is one of the best ways to learn about
Of course.
life, right?
Of course.
Okay, Nidhi. So before we close this conversation, my last couple of questions. If you can introduce your 5 pets.
Yes. So I have 5 pet dogs at my home.
Okay.
They all are indies, and they have some funny names.
Okay.
Basically, all their names are Gujarati.
Okay.
So and they are a Gujju dogs.
Acha.
Completely Gujju dogs.
Okay.
So they can also eat like dal chawal
अच्छा.
and poha
Okay.
and roti as well.
Okay.
And like what we say in Gujarati,
हाँ.
we do eat bhajia, right? Like fried fritters. तो like वो लोग वो भी खाते हैं. They are basically a Guju dogs.
Good dogs. Okay.
So one of them is Kalu.
Okay.
His name is Kalu because he's completely a black. He's black. And वही reason है उसका नाम कालू बन गया. And he is one of the dog जिसको रात के 11 बजे से पहले सोसाइटी में जाना is not allowed.
Is not allowed. Okay.
And the reason behind is very funny. You won't believe. He chases the maids in the society. And उसकी वजह से people are complaining us कि your dog is not allowing the maids to come at our home. He is chasing everyone. So our maid are like not ready to work at our home. What we'll do if our maids just run away? So in my life, in my parents' life, they have never been to any PTM of mine. But for Kalu,
Okay.
they went to meeting, society's meeting, where they
Right.
decided Kalu won't be allowed to go before 11 o'clock. So yeah, that is Kalu.
Okay.
The other one is Gundi.
Gundi. Okay.
Yes. Her name is Gundi because वो दूसरे dogs को बहुत मारती है. She is a bully
अच्छा.
in that group.
Okay.
So she's like, she won't allow other dogs to come even near her.
Uh-huh.
And apparently I bought this one rescue dog at my home, puppy at my home. And she was like her mental peace was all gone because I bought that dog at my place, that puppy. and that puppy was so sweet. He wanted to play with Gundi. He used to go near his face and do like this, let's play. And Gundi was like, no, stay away from me, I don't want to play. So that's Gundi.
Okay.
And there's this other baby, Chotu.
Chotu. Okay.
Chotu is Gundi's daughter.
अच्छा.
And Chotu is one of the dog जो पूरे टाइम उसके रॉकिंग चेयर पे झूलता रहेगा. And he loves this rocking chair so much that हमें कभी कभी उसका खाना भी उसको चेयर पे खिलाना पड़ता है. He won't come off from that chair. And there's this other dog, Lalu.
Lalu.
Yes.
Okay.
उसको हमने लाइफ में, दो ही इज़ अ फैमिली, उसको हमने लाइफ में जब वो पपी था तब ही टच किया था. उसके अलावा वी हैवंट इवन टच्ड हिम. ही डजंट लाइक us touching him or anyone touching him. He is the touch me not. So he just run away whenever we try to touch him.
Okay.
Not even our fingers should touch him.
Acha.
He's that like
Acha.
no. So yeah. And the other one is Kalu Mummy. And the reason behind I named her Kalu Mummy is मेरे दिमाग में कोई नाम नहीं आ रहा था. And she gave birth to puppies. She was black and she had babies. I named her Kalu Mummy. And the other one is Chugli.
Chugli.
Yes. She is sibling of Gundi.
अच्छा.
Like they were born during the same time.
ऐसे लग रहा है सब भाई लोग वाले नाम है.
I know. And they all are siblings. They
अच्छा.
are babies of one mama.
अच्छा.
So उनकी मम्मी का नाम was Cardi.
अच्छा.
Yeah.
Interesting.
So yeah.
Okay.
These are my babies.
Right.
My siblings, my friends, my family. Literally everything.
Okay. Really nice talking with you, Nisha. Nidhi. Sorry.
Oh my god.
But yes, but before we close this conversation, any message that you want to share to people?
Definitely I have one message. Like अभी हमें हर एरिया में जा के खाना देना पड़ता है. But if everyone takes a responsibility by themselves and start feeding the community dogs which are near them, like थोड़ा सा खाना दे दिया, थोड़ा सा पानी दे दिया on a daily basis, then it will become less work on our side and we would be able to focus on other helpful things for animals. And it's like if everyone is like doing by themselves, then it will be a good impact on the society as well. Because in today's time we see people blame the dogs when they bite them, but they don't know why did they bite. You have to like analyze the reason behind it. They don't bite like ऐसे भी मन हो गया और काट लिया, ऐसा नहीं होता है. तो they only want you to be good with them. They want that care, love, and थोड़ा सा खाना पानी और खेलना. That is all they need. And if like God have made us human and we are capable of helping someone who is not able to like speak, then why we should not help them?
Right.
Like we should help them. It's our duty in certain terms, if I can say. So yeah.
Very wise words from a very young girl. Good.
Of course.
Good. Yes.
This dog thing is in my family. My mom, dad, everyone is fond of dogs. And it's just the most important part of our life. We three cannot imagine our life without dogs. So yeah. And specifically my mom, dad are the backbone of this Paws of Vadodara.
Okay. Right. So congratulations to them, to you.
Thank
and
you so much.
you all are doing really good.
Thank you.
And thanks to Harsh Rao for introducing you to Extreme Gratitude.
He's the best person when it comes to human.
Yeah.
And I'm the person who when it comes to animals.
Animals.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Thank you. Thank you,
You're
Nidhi.
welcome.
Thank you for your time.